niya.
Timila Karkar. So today it's June
300 meters
20.
at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on the grassy
At
at the roundabout. Take the second exit and
Hello.
stay on Grassy Boulevard.
Any Carson.
Pinanok kita.
There, oh. Diba?
Bago Ate Layla.
Hi.
Carson, go in the back na, bebe.
It's dark.
Karkar.
Kasi we are going to... Where are we going, Carson?
Karkar, go the back na, bebe.
We're going to Alberta. See you later.
Trunk Highway 59 North, Route 20 North.
12 midnight.
Double with
Yeah.
di ba?
So it's actually, technically it's June 28th.
At the light, turn left onto
Yeah.
Provincial Trunk Highway. Trunk Highway
Yep.
59 North, Route 20 North.
June 28th. So yeah.
Ating cream and sugar. Double na kanin.
Our first stop would be Tim
Continue on
Hortons
Route 20
at
North.
Nandiyan kasing kaita.
20 North.
Headmaster. Tim Hortons headmaster. Sleeping nila. It's dark. So going to Calgary in 6. I know, 5 pala. We're gonna go to Regina, Moose Jaw, New Jeff. So it's gonna be 6 hours and 30 minutes. So we still have 5 more hours and 40 minutes. Okay, see you later. It's dark. Can't see good for it.
Sabi ko na, oh, right side yung guy.
Okay.
Yung kintangan sa oh.
Okay.
Makulit siya.
First stop, Tim Hortons. Bladder break. Okay. Stop. Second stop, Brandon. For our bladder break. Okay. Okay.
Ana siguro, nukar niya kaya mintayin niya. Ana siguro.
So how many more hours? 4 hours and 13 minutes to Moose Jaw. Yeah. Tingnan, magpagas tamo. Because we don't know where is the next gas station. So, might as well do this here. Hey, Carson.
Ay, Tim Hortons, Brandon.
Okay. Tim Hortons, Brandon. Very loyal to Tim Hortons. Nabang lahat? Carson? Carson? 4 more hours and 13 minutes before we see Kuya Jeffrey. Ito siya, no? Pero, kaway-kaway naman dyan, Ting. Oh. Okay. Karkar. Karkar. Honey.
Head south toward
Okay, see
Milton
you
Avenue.
later.
Dahil mo dyan.
A vicious wind. One stormy night, Power lay in bed listening to the wind howling outside like a
We're
panther.
still here in
But
Manitoba.
it was nothing compared to the sound of a patio umbrella crashing through his sliding
Not sure.
glass.
Not sure if we're in Saskatchewan or Manitoba.
So already looking glass.
So
Break the bank.
Over a one-year period,
On our way
PCAA
to
Homes has paid out
Saskatchewan.
95% of claims related to fire, water,
laging gaya mo lang para mga
Time check. Bye,
Kasama
boy.
na pareho Manila.
Yan. Yan kay Makini. Mama, stress.
Passenger.
Magkaya, exercise.
Malapit na mo to.
Ano na mo? 2 more hours. Then we're gonna eat breakfast.
Red car.
Kaka. Very soon. Sleeping niya. This is a video. Hello. Hey. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Good morning, sunshine. So correction time is, the time now is 4:32. Saskatchewan is 1 hour behind. For Winnipeg. Yes, Winnipeg, time check in Winnipeg is 5:32 and here in Saskatchewan is 4:32 a.m. Camera. Laki ng tiyan eh. Parang bola lang. Sunrise. Happy to see. Finally. Finally. After many months. Eh? See. Laging sunset na lang. Hello, sunrise. See you later, sunset. Nabasa mo yun? Galing mabilis eh. Hindi akaras mo na. Ano na eh? Mag-left na. Third stopover here in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Turn left onto 9th Avenue Northeast,
Breakfast
then you will
here.
arrive at your destination.
Shin McDonald. Hindi mo mag-bladder break ka pa. You have arrived.
You have arrived.
Sa gitara. Yes, sir.
Ingitan tayo mga
Tingpe, Kong Noel, shout out sa'yo. Kasama namin si Jepoy.
Tiya,
Okay.
kini ka mag-selfie dapat eh. Selfie natin.
Pwede na ka mag-selfie, mag-order ka po.
Ano nga, sa Kyler. Send yung link si Tam.
Okay. Wow, plain bagel, healthy living.
Ibo.
Thanks, shout out sa'yo again. Itong para sa'yo. Cheers.
Pagka pwede na kamon.
Hey Carson. Carson is drinking coffee there, outside. He can't come in. Ako, Noel. Ako, Noel, shout out sa'yo. Jay. I miss you, Jay. Carson cannot come inside. See, Jeff. Jeff, look at our shirt. It's all Boracay shirt. From Boracay to Bam.
Oh.
Kyle, it's so cold. Oh,
You miss me, Jeff.
Hey, Carson. You be a good boy. Carson. Carson. So malapit siya yung kayo kay ni Jeff? Like 7 minutes?
Oh,
Hello.
Garson, miss mo yung kuya?
Empty na, punta lang tayo ng moose.
Yeah.
Moose.
Where?
Malapit siya kayo.
Nanita moose? Moose na
Wala
talaga?
mo, statue mo na moose.
Kanya mo, baka
Talagang kaya niya eh. Aliwano rin style niya, lalo yung plate number kaya harap na eh.
wala yung plate
It's nice. Ali, kaya harap na eh.
Bulok niya mo.
Ay, ini sunroof ya, Jeff.
Oo.
Oh, that's nice. Kaya niya pala bagi karkar. Tang lamang magkaya. Lamang mene. Ano yun na eh? Sige, tayo, loob ka. That's
Yan
nice.
kasi no, kasi dakal tayo. Dakal mo.
Wow.
Masang
Something na niya sa kayo ng Jeff.
Masang tingnan yung kiting harap, Jeff. Wow.
Nice.
Masang tingnan.
Nice car, Jeff.
Oo.
Nice car.
Masang tingnan.
Masanting niya kay Carson eh. Siguro ngayon, Diyos ko kaya ba na siguro.
Kinain ng cars.
Okay, we're here. In Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Abagin na ninin.
As you can see,
Tagal
Tagal na. Where's Carson? Where's the cousin? Mina niya. Carson, wait ka, bebe. Okay, nice. Tuwang-tuwa si Tita Se.
Picture mo kami, Carson. Ikaw nga ito, Carson. Solo mo
Car.
ikaw nga ito, Carson. Pero picture tayo.
Palukulokan ka.
Sige, pala ko lang kami.
Ay, ari ba nga din ang picture kang ka-snowboard ka, Jeff? Ka-Jeff ka nga, Jeff. Ang snowboards, Kuya Jeff. Snowboard.
Behind the scene. Behind the scene of the picture. Carson! Yes, we will go hiking.
Uy, Carson! Very happy, Carson. Kasanting na kay Carson, oh. Huling Mendilo yan eh.
Mabagal ka.
Aliyo! Si Naguya, oy, may kuhay kang video. Aliya ka no. Meteng. Oy, aliya ka no, magal. Woo, see you! Iting Musyo and Snowbird. Jeff, Snowbird. Shout out! Shout out sa mga taga Manitoba and Philippines. Ulam, nakatalaut. Taga Winnipeg.
Sa lahat ng mga tita ko tsaka tito ko
Sa
doon.
mga Happy Canada Day, guys.
Tita Pe, alam ko na may miss mo kami, pero
Ganun talaga.
so we're back on track on our way to Calgary.
Ano rin yung atong bukong pa rin?
Carson. Our Carson is our pogging driver and the co-pilot. The navigator. Okay.
Okay, destinate lang kayo.
Ano, kaya rin, dandang gagawan ng corned beef.
What I can go,
Corned beef. Okay, time check, it's 8:02. Sarap buhay. Carson. Sarap buhay. Good boy, oh. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Road trip with Carson. 2025. He's such a good boy.
Ay, lahat ng oil.
Nene?
Hindi namin agad ay malumaki mo naman init.
Nene?
Ang gawin lahat ng oil.
Galing. Okay, so time check.
Teka, ano?
It's
Sailing farm lang. It's
9:50. Because this is 1 hour advance. Yep. We're still here. Saskatchewan. I don't know, maybe Saskatchewan. I know, but we're still here. We're still here by Canada Trans Highway. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure, but it's still part of Canada. Hey, woke up like this. Car. Oh my car's on. Okay. Carson is so bored na. Carson is so bored. There, oh. Passengers. Okay, update. Time check is 11:17. 3 more hours and 25 minutes going to the Chinook Center, the Calgary Mall. Yeah, we are getting closer. Huh? Lots of bikers. Think and drive. Safety starts with you.
Bilangan kayo pa.
Ay ka, magdadi-dadi. Foto na.
Hi, welcome to Alberta now. Finally, Wild Rose Country. Hi, thank God. After 10 hours of driving, finally we're here in Alberta. And 4 more, 4 hours and 25 minutes to Canmore. Canada, you're such a big country. Meaning, oh, there's a washroom na.
No. Yeah. Yep. Another stopover. This is our fourth stopover. Bladder break and more gas. We need more gas. What's kaya cheaper yung gas kanina yung 124.9? Because yesterday in Winnipeg it's 130. Muring ka rin.
Ha?
Muring ka rin.
No, Karen. Ay, takot naman kayo. Kada ng kabila na. Guys. Okay. So, we are here.
Continue on Alberta 1 West for 248
in
kilometers.
Alberta, one of the gasoline stations. We're just had bladder break, gas,
Okay.
and had gas refill, and just waiting for Carson to pee.
Ay, duta pang oras pa lang.
Nadeng?
Ano niya pang kumakong tanong. Mamuli mo.
Kuya, thank you.
Lagay mo ng English na kulat. Minumtanan danong marimla. Ako nang kay, juice ka ako nang, juice ka ako.
Tapos mga
Ay, mga pinali na pa.
Ay, masaminom. Marating ay kaminom. Bang malunglog.
Ha? Wala ka man.
Sasawan niyo.
The dogs. No, the dogs. Still barking because of Carson.
Wala daw kakaumablay.
Yeah. Diba, you were just calling daddy, right, Nicole?
Mami, ako'y dating inaway kayo.
Car. Diba? Ready? Okay, another 3 hours. Going to Calgary. Ready, fight. 14 hours then. 14 hours and...
Plano, Winnipeg to
Okay.
Manila na eh.
So, time check, it's 11:45 in the morning.
Kapag nagpalis,
Here at Medicine Hat na. It's only, maximum is only 80, but everyone is overspeeding. So excited. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity to travel. So there's a Holiday Express, Dollarama. Hey, Carson. Old Navy, favorite. Favorite Navy. Ay, Galaxy, Marshalls, Women's, favorite, Marshalls. Oh, my favorite, Dollarama. Parang galing lang tayo sa Dollarama kapon eh. Ay, Carson's favorite, Pet Value. Oh, kulot.
Kaya kita na ako.
Kulot, yung favorite mo. Superstore. Ha? Medicine Hat. Still in Alberta. Okay, on our way to Calgary. Ano?
Kahit na ang tungod, susungan na naman.
What?
Ha?
Sport.
Pis na like.
Lots, tons of lights, or I don't know how to describe it, but there are many solar panels here. Galing, eh? Calgary, here we go. Finally, 1 hour and 29 minutes left. Huh? 1 hour and 29 minutes towards the mall. Camping eh. Okay, so we have lots of copyright music. Carefully, we are approaching downhill.
outlet. Susundan dyan.
Ako rin yung kahit. O, sa
Matingil kalding gamit na. Saguli kami.
Pengal kalde gamit.
Oh. Hindi tamang exit.
So, we're entering the Chinos shopping mall. Huh? It's gonna be a fun one. I don't mind that. Ang Canada Goose. Okay, so let's go find the washroom again. Kini, friend, tayo ulit kini. Let's what? Let's search. Okay. Ay, sorry. Oh. We're just looking for the washroom. Wash. Tagal na naman eh. Screen. Multiple letters. Level 1 nearest. Oh, shoot tayo na Kenny.
Yeah, Kenny.
Kenny na. Thank Kenny na.
Kenny.
Kenny na.
Kenny nga, alo. Tingnan mo.
Ayun, which one? Ay, oh, yeah, let's go to Alo after. What about in Rolex? Rolex. Ano yung Rolex? Okay. Sorry, Tiffany. I cannot.
Hindi pala mo.
Kami na, at Starbucks. 4:30. We're just waiting for our order. Huh? What? No. This is a raw video. I cannot cut anything because I don't know how to edit.
Ma'am, tumingin ka muna. Si Diyos ko, kaya Arjan.
Sabi ko na, ako lang magdalo.
Uy, naka-Louis Vuitton, no?
May liman na dyan.
Chicks, hello. Ako ay nahulog, muntik na mahulog yung kape. Thanks, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Guda?
Good.
Guda. Okay, thank Kenny ko. Puta malapares ko. Mayari tabalat.
Kaya tata mo?
Mayari ko balat ka rin kapatid mo pag may lapares ka te. Kaya burin niya di seni yan.
Kasi kayong outfit. station is on the left.
Okay, no problem. We just have to look for parking.
Slight right onto the ramp to Canmore, then merge onto Bow Valley Trail. Continue on Alberta.
Large.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Bow Valley Trail, Alberta 1A West.
pagkain kaya iwalin na lang natin.
Then, pagkain na kasi kay Bundok. Then, parang then, wildlife pong highway.
Carson, do you like the view, car? Neng, thank you very much. Thank you.
Ano kaya mo pre?
Switzerland. Three more minutes. Malapit na mo. So we can just walk a few minutes. 8 minutes walk na mo from Canadian. Diba? Malapit na na mo. 2 more minutes. Huh? Nice. Malapit na siguro. Kasi only 1 minute na mo eh. Bilis ka na. Oh, yun eh.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
In 300 meters hindi. Sige, sumulong ka pa. 300 meters.
Ewan na ba?
Your destination will be on the left.
Then may yata. Diyan ang chow itang Canmore. I don't know where's the yun tayo ng Canmore. Yan, ako.
Your destination is on the left.
Happy yan. Okay.
Mukhang tawag ka. Matambang parking.
O sige, munta ako pa ka rin eh. Sige, try may Kenny na yun.
Ha?
Kenny ka munta ka pa kayo. Mamutang ko kayo. Kahit naman dami.
Okay,
American ka.
we're here.
Escaping ko pa yan.
Ay, wait. Kuya kayo itong kain na.
Oh, sweet sauce.
Can we see?
Ay, pamalita.
Itang malita, nakalimutan.
Come here.
Huli pala. Sorry.
Inside.
Bibidyo kita. Wow. Carson, where are you going? Where do you want to sleep, Carson?
Kenny namin mo.
Tuwan kayo.
Kenny namin.
Okay. Oh, okay na kayo close kayo ng ref, oh.
Paano mo pang gamit, Kenny?
Ay, kaya tabi.
Look at the view. Wow. Switzerland. Ano yun eh? Hindi na ka-charge ka? Hindi ko na ka-charge. Titurang kayong baluga.